Hello and welcome to Little Learners Education. This week we're focusing on the letter sound Y. So today we're going to go step by step through how you can make your very own homemade yellow kinetic sand with your toddler. To make your homemade yellow kinetic sand, you will need a mixing bowl and a fork, half a cup of baking soda, quarter cup of corn flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing soap, 1 tablespoon of water, half a tablespoon of cream of tartar, yellow food colouring and glitter. The first thing we're going to do is place the baking soda into the mixing bowl. Then pour in the corn flour, then pour in the sugar, then pour in the cream of tartar. Stir and combine all the ingredients together. Then add the dishwashing liquid and give it another mix. Then pour the water into the food colouring. Then add the food colouring, add the glitter and give it a final mix. Once mixed, place into the refrigerator for a couple of hours to set.